The Ministry of Justice is getting a $9.6 billion spend in its estimated allocation for the 2018-2019 financial year. A substantial portion, $3.7 billion, goes to the nation's courts to ensure the judicial process is efficient, timely, fair, and modernized. Also included in the overall estimates are $1.3 billion to undertake government-funded capital projects and over $555 million for other programs funded by Jamaica's multilateral and bilateral partners.
We have to find ways and means to make justice a priority, easily accessible and readily delivered in a timely manner. With our crime problem, swift and predictable justice can be the most powerful deterrent to crime.
The ministry understands that delivering timely justice means investing in the infrastructure. So 3 major projects will be implemented with money from the Consolidated Fund. $99.6 million will be spent to purchase 8 vehicles for judges and 2 mobile witness rooms. To continue the rehabilitation and upgrading of Public Building East in downtown Kingston, $267 million is allocated. And 4 more justice centers are to be established in the 2018-2019 fiscal year to increase accessibility of services associated with policies targeting justice reform. Also, from the same allocation, Spanish Town will receive a family court. Jamaica's bilateral and multilateral partners are helping to improve justice delivery in the new financial year through 3 projects totaling $555 million. Global Affairs Canada will provide $81 million to continue the justice undertakings for Social Transformation JUST project. Started in 2011 and extended to 2020, this year's targets include developing a monitoring and evaluation framework for the justice sector and training personnel in justice reform planning. Performance management systems will also be introduced within the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. The rules and procedures for parish courts will be reviewed and amended, and rules and procedures for the courts of petty session will be developed. Meanwhile, the Justice, Security, Accountability and Transparency JSAT project will supply and install hardware in select courts and implement an electronic case management system in the courts. JSAT is being funded by the European Union to the tune of $203 million. The other multilateral project is the Citizen Security and Justice Program Phase 3. The funding agencies, along with the government, are Global Affairs Canada, the Inter-American Development Bank, and the Department for International Development. The project seeks to enhance gender-responsive justice services in target communities.
We need a justice system that completes cases and delivers decisions with due expedition. Speedy court decisions can have significant and needed economic benefits.
The Ministry of Justice making more resources available to the judiciary while embarking on programs to achieve a balanced national legal framework, equitable and efficient dispensation of justice, and promoting respect for all rights and freedoms during the 2018-2019 fiscal year.